Hi everyone, my name is Aastha and you're watching my channel Art with Aastha. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to make a kettle like this one. So let's go. For the kettle, you will need these items. Now pour a bit of talcum powder. This much is enough. Now open your clay. There are two clays inside, a hardener and a base. Now you open it. Now mix both the clay together. Now your clay should be like this color. Now you roll it in your palms. Take modeling tools. You should need this type of thing like this. Shape it like this. You should shape it like this. This part should be big and this should be like this. This is your pouring. This is the part of the kettle which we pour. So now take this and make a cut like this. It should be kind of like a snake's mouth, and just shape it properly so it won't be broken. Friends, and I also forgot to tell you that you need a bowl for keeping water. And now we need any color like green. I chose green as I want it to be green and purple. The lid is purple and I do not want to change its color, so remove the lid and keep it aside and keep it upside down and start painting from the top and then go down. Finished my first coat, and now let it dry for at least 5 minutes until it dries properly. Then we will do the second. Now the first coat is dried. Now you again paint it with the second coat. Now make two holes on the side, like here and here. Now Now start your hot glue gun and take your beads. You can place any bead in any order. I am placing it in a triangular order. In the center, which is this green bead. Now take your aluminium wire and from one side put it inside and bend it upwards or downwards. It's optional. I will bend it upwards. If you want to fix this wire permanently, you can bend the wire with scissors or pliers. I have bended them with my scissors. Scissors makes the work easy. Now take your tape and start putting the tape on the wire like this. It might be a little difficult, but then you'll get it how to do. Heat your hot glue gun and take the shape that we had made earlier. Now put a bit glue here and here to stick this on. Hold it for a little while. Now we need to color the part very poor and design the kettle. to know all my